Hi, I'm Carl, and today you're watching Black Powder Firearm Enthusiast channel, and we're going to shoot some number 4 buckshot and double barrel 20 gauge Howdah pistol. So let's get loaded. I'm doing 70 grains of Schutzen 3F black powder. Okay, it's powder in the left barrel. And, whoops, that just came apart. Lost half my powder there. And right barrel. All right, let's get some shot in here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's try 13. In the left barrel, let's put 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 in the right barrel. Left barrel. Right barrel. Okay, those are loaded up. Let's get some percussion caps. It's cold out here. My fingers are numb. It hurts putting these on. I can't feel my fingertips. All right, let's go see how she does. Let's see if I can hit one of these clay ones here. All right, that's the number 4 buckshot, 70 grains of triple F black powder, and 20 gauge Howdah pistol. Thank you for watching.